How to perform proper squats for beginners. Squats are a fundamental and powerful exercise that targets multiple muscle groups, including the quads, hamstrings, glutes, and core. Whether you're a fitness novice or looking to refine your technique, this guide will take you through the step-by-step process of performing squats with proper form and safety. So, let's dive in and unlock the full potential of this foundational exercise, ensuring you reap the maximum benefits while minimizing the risk of injury. Get ready to squat your way to a stronger, fitter you. 1. Warm-up. Begin with 5 to 10 minutes of light cardio, like jogging or jumping jacks, to increase blood flow to your muscles. Perform dynamic stretches, focusing on your lower body, to improve flexibility and range of motion. 2. Body positioning. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Toes should point slightly outward. Keep your back straight, chest up, and engage your core muscles. 3. Execution. Initiate the squat by bending at your hips and pushing your buttocks back, as if you're sitting in a chair. Bend your knees and lower your body. Aim to get your thighs parallel to the ground, but don't force it if you're not flexible enough. 4. Knee alignment. Ensure your knees track over your toes and do not collapse inward. Avoid letting your knees extend beyond your toes to prevent unnecessary stress. 5. Depth. Start with a partial squat and gradually work towards a deeper range of motion as your flexibility improves. Keep your weight on your heels to activate the glutes and hamstrings. 6. Breathing. Inhale as you lower into the squat. Exhale as you push back up to the starting position. 7. Safety tips. Start with bodyweight squats before adding weights. Use a mirror to check and correct your form. Don't rush. Focus on controlled movements to avoid injury. 8. Common mistakes to avoid. Rounded back. Keep your spine neutral to protect your lower back. Heels lifting. Ensure your weight is on your heels, not your toes. Overextending knees. Avoid locking your knees at the top of the movement. 9. Variations for progression. Once comfortable with bodyweight squats, consider adding resistance with dumbbells or a barbell. Explore variations like goblet squats, sumo squats, or front squats. 10. Cool down. Finish your session with static stretches for your quadriceps, hamstrings, and hip flexors. Hydrate and replenish with proper nutrition. Remember, it's crucial to listen to your body and progress at your own pace. Please like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more health and fitness updates.